What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. So, is CBD oil addictive? Go ahead and smash that like button down below if you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt, and leave me a comment as well and let me know your thoughts on this subject. So, guys, what makes a substance addictive? So, the normal average person that does not have an addiction has a brain that has a reward system, and it releases dopamine whenever you experience a certain situation, like maybe a sexual encounter, sexual intercourse, going on a date for the first time, being with loved ones, whether that be your husband or wife, or just family members in general, or your children, being there for your child's birth, having a marriage, doing your favorite hobby, or exercising has been known to release euphoric feelings. So, guys, whenever you introduce a substance that has the potential to be addictive, it also has the potential to hyperstimulate your dopamine levels, which is going to push out more than usual. That's why a lot of people that are on drugs, that are on alcohol, or engage in some extreme activities even, have described this rush of happiness, this euphoria that oftentimes they'll never find again. They're chasing that for the rest of their addiction, and there's a reason for that. Because the more that you do it, the more you engage in it, after that first initial push of dopamine, the less your brain starts to produce. So it's kind of crazy. Your brain starts producing less, and it relies on that substance for happiness. So you're basically chasing happiness through a bottle or through a needle or, through whatever substance of choice. And that can even be things like tobacco and caffeine, maybe on lesser levels, but they're still very serious. Also, you can engage in activities that are addictive, like you can be a sex addict. You can be somebody that loves to steal a lot. You can be addicted to pornography. There's many things out there, guys, that you can take part in that are addictive in nature. So now we're going to talk about CBD oil. There is only 0.3% THC. That's the max that can actually be legally sold in the United States. So get that. The most that CBD oil in the United States being legally sold will contain 0.3% levels of THC. Now, most weed and marijuana on the street is anywhere from 10% to 30% THC. So let that sink in for a second. The least potent weed that would have 10% THC is 33 times more potent than the strongest allowed CBD oil in the United States, 0.3%. There's absolutely no way you are going to either get high or become addicted to this, because it's not going to have the same control over your dopamine levels as something that would, let's say 10 to 30% THC. Now, everybody is different. Everybody's going to respond to different drugs, but I will say that I believe personally that THC, smoking marijuana, cannabis, is one of the easiest things to stop using. So not only is there 0.3% of it in there, it's also one of the easiest drugs to, not take part in after doing it a few times or even doing it a lot. So the odds of becoming addicted are basically next to zero. If anything, I'm pretty much going to say it's like there's a 0% chance that you will become addicted to CBD oil. There's only amazing benefits to be had from it, and that's why I'm a firm believer in it. I'm going to be making a lot more videos over this, so I just kind of wanted to give some reassurance to some of you that are worried about it, whether that be through drug testing, worried about it getting you high, worried about it becoming addictive, and I get that. But there's no chance that you become addicted to CBD oil. So just enjoy the benefits. Make sure you do your research whenever you're picking out a product. Make sure it's legal in the United States. Make sure that it's good quality as well. A lot of sites may actually have some actual lab reports and research reports. Make sure that you check those out as well. You don't want to buy something that's not effective or something that's actually not legal. So be careful. There are a lot of different CBD oils out there. I'm going to try to do some reviews over some more for you guys so you can check them out. If you got any value out of this, guys, please like this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I put these videos out. Guys, below I have a lot of tips on anxiety and stress. If you're trying to overcome that, please follow those tips. There's tons of resources, including online therapy. There's a 1-week free trial with that. There's a lot of different journals you need to be taking advantage of down there. My social media, so my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Instagram, the Facebook group is over 10K, over 10,000 members in that Facebook group who are suffering from anxiety disorders. So if you haven't joined, please join. My Patreon account is down there if you want to support the channel. There's a lot of stuff down there. You just got to go check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a beautiful rest of your day.